Pineapple.
This is good. Other take, Hannah.
Take one passion fruit for you as well.
No, I'm good.
Okay, take one for you. And I take for you.
Papaya. 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 Wait. Papaya.
Pineapple is good. No, this is not good.
다양한 열대 과일까지 주셔가지고 정말 맛있는 것 같아요. 여기서 후식으로 다양한 과일까지 주셔가지고 열대 과일도 마음껏 먹을 수 있습니다. So sweet.
At least we are making a lot of content here.
We can finish all the
¿Quieres frutita?
fruits.
Espera. Cuando quieras continuar, aquí estamos.
Una más, papaya.
Sí, la artesanía.
You can review your clothes.
While he lives there.
Cuando las cosas son buenas, el tiempo no perdona. El tiempo se va.
La verdad que sí.
How he went there?
Check out me. Wow.
Oh.
Vamos a la artesanía. Pero primero vamos a empezar con la de las mujeres.
Looks like they don't have those.
¿Necesitas que venga una de las chicas?
Sí,
o?
sí, necesito una chica.
La lady.
No agua?
It's very sweet.
Sweet.
Very sweet. As a Brazilian, it's really hard to find
Where are you from?
things better than
Corea del
in
Sur.
Brazil.
También, Corea del Sur, también los dos.
But this is better.
Bye. Okay, piña.
Ya
Where's
habla
the one,
español. Ya, ahora mismo. Habla muy bien. Ahí va a aprender español.
Muy inteligente.
Ojo.
Manest.
Bueno, muy bueno.
Ok, va a dar la aplicación acá a la joven.
Usted.
Qué barato. Qué barato.
Buenas tardes.
Hola.
Mi nombre es Sandra. Hoy voy a dar charla pequeña sobre el trabajo de las mujeres. Now she's playing about the work of ladies. Because here they have classification, ¿eh? Women and men. Este pibre se llama palma tunga, palma negra, su color natural es verde claro. Para hacer color blanco nosotros lo lavamos con caña agria o limón y queda color blanco natural. Okay, they use two different material for design basket, two different fibers. The name of this one, the name chunga or black forest. They grow here inside of the rainforest and grow 40 meters approximately.
Wow.
At the trunk, they have spike, and the men make the steps for to arrive to the top of the tree for obtain the fibers. And the natural color is light green, green colors. And they cook, they boiler with lemon. Este también caña agria, ¿no? Sour
yeah.
cane, with sour cane, and they obtain these colors. When they have a lot of fibers with this color, is coming the other colors. For example,
Hacemos bastante blanco para hacer diferentes colores. El chocolate viene del cocobolo. Cuando los hombres van tallando, recogemos de perdiz, cocinamos por 45 minutos y sale color chocolate natural.
okay, here is national park, no lodging, no hunting, but with a big branch fault, they use the material, the mesh, for make this. With the chip of this, the ladies recollect and boiler with the fiber for 45 minutes for obtain brown colors.
Baby.
El negro, viene el lodo negro. Buscamos lodo negro.
Cuando ya está el chocolate, ¿no?
Ajá.
Okay. How they obtain the black colors? When it's brown color and they need black,
Cook more time.
before it's brown and after they make the hole very near to the muddy, the next day is dark.
Oh.
El rojo viene el achote. Agarramos bastante achote,
Wow.
lo machacamos, cocinamos por 45 minutos y sale color rojo
Okay,
natural.
what is achote? Achote is traditional sazonadía
Wow.
for Panamanian people. We cook chicken rice. We cook everything in a big pot for paint the rice. And also for lipstick, the ladies, they use it for makeup. They paint for 45 minutes with this fiber and you can see these colors. These colors.
We use this a lot in Brazil for food as a
Agarramos
season.
bastante yuquilla, lo rayamos, lo cocinamos por
Wow.
45 minutos.
You can smell azafrán, a familia. Saffron family, the saffron family also for Sasonia here, and they cook for 45 minutes, and it's
This is not a real saffron, but this is a family of saffron.
no,
You
sí,
can
es
pretend
parecida,
you
pero
can pretend be a saffron because saffron is really rare, right?
ellos tienen ese
이거는
tipo de
치마를
familia.
만드는 건데요. 다양한 자연에서 얻는 재료들을 통해 가지고 그걸 끓여가지고 이렇게 색깔을 만들어낸다고 해요.
Buscamos la nahuala, ahí al frente como un paraguas, agarramos las hojas más nuevas, agarramos el cuchillo,
빨간
sacamos por fibra
색깔이
y
빨간
dejan
색깔
el
잉크
sombra
빨간 색깔이 묻어나는 과일로는
This is
염색도
nahuala.
하고 또 립스틱도 만들어서
Nahuala,
바른다고 해요.
no is the palm tree. Nahuala is the small, very small grass. You can see like this. The form of the leaf is like a branch. It's like a branch. They recollect the new leaf, design, classify the fiber. 3 days, 2 nights. It's dark and it's dry, and it's very stronger. You can see. You can
Is it
touch. No, it's different. Okay, this one is the principal fiber for design the basket.
아.
The other one loose plastic. You can touch, it's different. Okay, and this one cover the other fiber for make it different basket, bowl, and everything.
What's his name
Depends
actually?
of the quality.
Oh, look at
Depends
this.
of the quality. Also, is the price very important? It depends of the quality. You know, for example, Panama hat or hippie hopper. Also, the people make it. In Panama
What they
City.
asked. There's a script here. This.
For this as well?
Yeah, but what's this name?
Nahuala
Naguala? Is it from
Naguala.
trees?
is a small one. It's the grass. No, it's the big tree. The big tree is this one.
Ah, okay.
Grow 40 meters.
Grass.
But this one is like the grass. Grow like this. Very small.
Oh.
It's two different fibers. They mix the fiber for make the basket. No? You can touch.
Take both cherry parts. Sure.
여기서 수공예품을 이렇게 만들어서 파는데요. 정말 퀄리티가 좋거든요. 정말 탄탄하고 당장 써도 되는 것 같은 그런 퀄리티인데 이게 굉장히 비싸게 팔리는데 여기서 나는 잔디 같은 풀로 만든다고 해요. 그 풀을 엮어가지고 이거를 만드는 거래요. 그래서 여기 엠베라 사람들한테는 중요한 수입원이라고 합니다.
Seed, flower, leaf is natural colors. Okay?
$20.